pozeralo naokolo, samé hory, rieky, lúky, ale nikde žiadna mapa. Všetko bolo smutné, pomaly kráčalo, hľadalo a blúdilo. Cítilo sa stratené a úplne samo. Zrazu sa v diaľke ozval jemný zvuk hudby.
Pozývam ťa do svojej krajiny, má hory, lesy, lúky, jazera i doliny. V dolinách kryštálové plesá, nad tými štíty rastú na nebesách. Pozývam ťa do svojej krajiny, má rozprávkové mesta, ešte krajšie dediny. V tých dedinách sa točia vplyvy a nebe, kvôli ktorým nebudeš chcieť odísť. Z teba tráv tú zelenú farbu majú dievčatá, dlhé nohy skrývajú húba. Víno teče z vode plný a na poliach sa zlatia šedlodí, keď sa ma kto si opýta, kde leží táto zem.
Pribehlo aj hravé a temperamentné Španielsko a rozosmialo vzduch okolo. Za Španielskou potichúčky pricupkalo pokojné Japonsko. Prinieslo slnko a pokojnú, ale vzácnu energiu. Z diaľky sa pridala tajomná India, Perla Ázie, Vietnam, aj ďaleké Nórsko, Írsko, či dokonca Dominikánska republika. Slovensko spolu s ostatnými štátmi sa rozhodli pomôcť subsidku nájsť cestu späť na mapu. Trošku iným spôsobom. A to tancom a hudbou. Subsidko sa spočiatku trochu hanbilo, ale potom cítilo teplo ich rúk. A tak urobilo prvý, druhý aj 10. krok. A zrazu sa všetci spojili. Ruky sa prepojili, kroky zosúladili a vznikol tanec. Tanec sveta. Privítajme teda veľkým potleskom pani prezidentku subsídia z doprovode jej osobného strážku. Všetko sa usmialo, potešilo a už vedelo, kam patrí. Nielen na mapu, ale aj medzi ostatných. A tanec, ktorý spolu vytvorili, sa stal hymnou dnešného dňa. Hymnou priateľstva, porozumenia a
prezidentku, aby slávnostným roztočením globusu otvorila tento kreatívny deň. A vás poprosím, aby ste sa na tomto čine spolu podielali, čiže si ho odštartujeme, budeme počítať 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, tak začneme všetci spolu. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 a veľký potlesk! Ďakujeme za otvorenie. Ďakujeme veľmi pekne. Predtým, ako sa vydám.
They say love is like a river with a course that flows. Nobody gets to pick it and it goes where it goes. And we're all just floating down the stream. Sometimes it gets deep, and sometimes it gets slow. And I know it's hard to believe in what you can't see. And when it all comes crashing down, you'll see it's just one dimension. Yeah. 'Cause all the universe at work, dimensions exist inside of you. Everything you ever need, it's already inside of you. So let go. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. If this was the last moment before I was sent into the great beyond, I would do everything I could to keep from holding on. So hold on, 'cause I know when I let go and I leave my body, I'll know that my spirit lives on. And it can take form in the form of a song, in the form of a poem, in the form of a drum. So when you hear the music, you know where it comes from. 'Cause you are the universe and you create reality. 'Cause it's just one dimension of what you cannot see. Yeah. 'Cause all the universe is word, and dimensions exist inside of you. Everything you ever need, it's already inside of you. So let go. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. We are not one, not two, not three, infinite eternity. Ooh, everything is so bright and bright. I feel I could see everything in the dark, even the sky. I look at the sky and see the constellations. Even in the daytime I can see them shining. 'Cause everything's so bright, everything's so bright. And I don't know if I'm asleep or if I'm awake or maybe both, but everything's so bright, it is so bright. And I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. I feel like I just entered a new dimension. And the day is turning to night, and I could see the stars, and the sky looks so pretty, just like a work of art. And I think I might just stay here forever, 'cause everything is so bright. Everything is so bright, and I feel like